Hello, my name is Quade, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a batch file in Windows and explain the functionality of one. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you haven't already, make sure to check out my other social media accounts where I post exclusive content and sneak peeks. Alright, now I'm on my Windows desktop. And before I demonstrate the use of a batch file, I'll be giving you a brief summary of the functionality of a batch file. So a batch file is a script that can be used to perform certain tasks or automate a series of tasks. Another thing to note is that you can also use it with Task Manager to execute the script at certain times to your liking. The first thing you want to do is either press Windows and the R key and type in Notepad, or you can go to the search bar on the lower left corner and type in Notepad to make a new text file. And once you have your text file open, you can type in any command you wish. I'm going to be typing in, let's do start Chrome exe. And the last thing you want to do is change the extension of the text file. So start Chrome exe, bat. There we go. And let's there we go. And that concludes this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave your comment or question in the comment section below of this video. Thank you for watching.